If you're only showing up when shoppers are ready to buy, you're too late. The real magic happens in the messy middle, where decisions are shaped and brands are made. In this episode, we'll show you how to reach in-market shoppers earlier using social media, and why relying on bottom funnel search alone is costing you more than you think.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kick me what sales is easy as E-E-T.
If you're only meeting shoppers at the bottom of the funnel with paid search, you're missing a massive opportunity to connect with in-market shoppers in the middle of the funnel. The average user spends nearly 3 hours per day on social media. Facebook and Instagram are where users are most likely to engage with ads and where you can influence buying decisions. Fill your funnel with high-impact campaigns on social media. Start with VDP remarketing to re-engage with shoppers who already visited your site. Remarketing audiences are up to 5 times more likely to convert. Here's a tip. Exclude users who have already converted on your website to make your ad spend go farther. Social media is the perfect place to take advantage of all of the first-party data you have at your fingertips. I'm talking about your CRM data. Leases ending soon, sold but never serviced, or service inactive are all great examples of customer lists that can be used to drive campaign success. Here's another tip. Don't limit your vehicle feed to just VDP remarketing. Facebook and Instagram let you get creative, so do it. Use static campaigns with custom feeds to boost engagement up to 10%. In addition to staying in front of users who know who you are, you need to find new shoppers to fill your funnel. As an S&P Global partner, we can tap into our Polk automotive data segments to target in-market shoppers by OEM, body style, credit score, and income. Reaching the right audience is key when influencing buying decisions. Your future customers are scrolling now. Expand your reach, activate your data, and fill your marketing funnel. Don't miss your opportunity to engage with even more in-market shoppers. Connecting with car shoppers on social media is as easy as DEP.
Follow our tips, it's simple to see. Kick me what sales is easy as